Hey tech lovers! Welcome to the future of mobile phones. Have you ever seen a robot phone? Stay tuned as we break down all about Honor Robot Phone. What is the Honor Robot Phone, first of all? It's a concept phone from Honor, pitched under its Alpha plan, envisioning a future where phones are more than slabs, they move. Creative and innovative design? The robotic arm is a next-level concept. It's not just a pop-up camera, it's a mini gimbal in your phone. This gives creative freedom. You can film or take photos from odd angles, low angles, or let the camera move itself to follow a subject. For vloggers or content creators, this is a powerful tool. If it works well, it could replace the need for a separate stabilizer. What about its AI plus autonomy? The arm is not purely mechanical, it's AI-powered. It can potentially frame shots autonomously, recognize people, and adapt to its environment. It might play peekaboo, react to your clothes, or adjust to things like, "Hey, baby is crying. Let me focus on them." Better stabilization? Because the camera is gimbal-mounted, it could offer much smoother and more stable video than traditional smartphone stabilization. Having physical stabilization means less cropping, compared to digital stabilization, which is great for dynamic shooting. Yeah, let's give a look to what could be called as negatives, risks, and concerns on this phone. When it comes to its concept risk, right now, it's only a concept. Honor has shown CGI teaser videos. We don't know how well a physical version would hold up. There's no confirmed spec sheet. We don't know real sensor sizes, resolution, battery impacts, or build quality yet. Durability, mechanical complexity? A moving arm plus gimbal equals more mechanical parts, more things that can break. Dust, debris, or just general wear could damage the motor, hinges over time. Repairs could be a pain and probably expensive. If that little arm breaks, you're not just replacing a piece of glass. It's a robot limb. Battery drain. The motor plus gimbal will use power. If used a lot, this could significantly drain the battery. Active tracking, movement, and stabilization cost energy. It's not like a fixed camera that just stays put. AI, software maturity? For the autonomous arm to be worthwhile, the software has to be very good. If the AI is weak, the camera arm could feel more like a gimmick than a real assistant. Misframing, tracking errors, or awkward movements are possible. What about the privacy concerns? A moving camera raises legitimate privacy questions. Does it look around when you're not actively using it? Cost and commercial viability? Putting mechanical, AI, and gimbal components in a phone is expensive. The final retail price, if it launches, could be very high. Overall, if it becomes real, it's a super exciting concept, ideal for creators, tech enthusiasts, and early adopters who don't mind paying a premium for novelty. If you're practical, wait and see. The mechanical complexity and cost may not justify the robot gimmick unless Honor nails the reliability, plus battery, plus software. So if you like this juice, give us your opinion about it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more legit leaks and reviews every week.